Now, viewers, a shocking firing incident has been reported from southeast Delhi's Amar Colony area, where a 17-year-old boy suffered bullet injuries after an altercation at a local eatery. According to the Delhi police, the teenager was sitting with a girl when a group of boys allegedly brushed past him, and one of them touched his chair, triggering a heated exchange. The group initially left the spot but returned within minutes, after which one of the accused allegedly opened fire before fleeing. Arzu Seth is joining me live from Amar Colony. Arzu, what is the latest on this shocking story?
Well, Vaishali, yes, a very shocking incident have been reported from the national capital. 17-year-old boy was shot in his head, and after he sustained several serious injuries while he was eating at a itinerary shop in Amar Colony's Delhi's South Delhi's area. And we are currently present at the particular spot where the incident has taken yesterday evening. And initial investigation revealed that the victim was having food with his friend at the itinerary when a group of boys passed by. During the interaction, one of the boy allegedly touched the victim's chair, leading to an objection from the teenager, but the objection turned into an argument between the victim and the group of boys, and also the group reportedly left the spot but returned after 4 to 5 minutes, and one of the boys then allegedly opened fire at the victim before fleeing from the scene. Police said only one bullet was fired and no other was injured. The crime team official inspected the spot, and also the multiple police team have been deployed to analyze the CCTV footage and conducted technical surveillance to identify and apprehend the accused. CCTV footage of the area have been gathered, scanned to establish the incident. And also what we got to know from our sources that one of the accused have been catched by the police as of now, and also the remaining apprehended victims are also being tracked by the police. Yes.
Arzu, what is the condition of this boy who has been injured? And the other question, of course, is how old were these boys who opened fire at this young 17-year-old?
Well, yes, the victim's condition is said to be critical. Firstly, he was taken to the Mulchand Hospital, which is near the Amar Colony, but then he was referred to the AIIMS Trauma Center as his condition was critical. He is still said to be in a critical condition. And while we talk about the age, the boy who was shot was 17-year-old, and also the accused is said to be the teenagers or the youngsters. So definitely this is a horrific incident that have been reported, and the incident took place around 7:54 while the boy and his friend was eating outside this Jat Saab itinerary shop. And this is the particular point where when the boy was eating with his friend, then the group of boys touched the chair, and the objection turned into a heated argument that led to the such incident in the national capital. Yes.
Stay on, Arzu. Now, the injured teenager was rushed to the hospital and later shifted to AIIMS Trauma Center, where his condition remains critical. Police teams are scanning CCTV footage and carrying out technical surveillance to identify and nab the accused. And of course, Arzu, the fact that these young boys had a gun on them is also something which is rather shocking. Now, what is the police saying about this? Have they come out with a statement?
As of now, the police is cracking down and trying to apprehend, catch all those accused who were involved in this shooting incident at the Amar Colony. But as of now, what we can show you is that the footage from the nearby CCTV cameras have been gathered by the police, and the investigation is being carried out whether this was just on-spot incident of touching a chair or there is a background story of it. The police is investigating investigating from all angles, and in fact, what we got to know that when the argument happened between the victim and the boys, they went from this particular place, then they returned back after 4 to 5 minutes, and then one of the boy has opened fire at the victim before fleeing from the scene. So police is also tracking the route which the accused have used to flee from this particular place, and the investigation is being carried out from all the angles. Yes.
And Arzu, let me tell our viewers that now a CCTV footage has surfaced online. The CCTV is from outside the eatery in Amar Colony where the teenager was shot. The CCTV captures the accused fleeing after shooting the teenager. So Arzu, this CCTV of course captures that moment. What can you tell us about it?
Of the incident have been captured by the CCTV footage and also have been taken by the police, and because of that what we got to know from our sources that the Delhi's crime branch has catched one of the accused from all three boys. So now the investigation is being carried out. The several questions will be asked from the accused about the remaining boys who fled from the scene, but yes, the CCTV footage are being investigated thoroughly to find out what has happened particularly at the scene, and also now one of the accused have been catched by the Delhi crime branch. Yes.
All right, and Arzu, now what security measures are being taken in Amar Colony following this incident?
Well, definitely the incident have shocked the resident who are living near the area, and I would also like to show you around the entire area has been closed, has been barricaded, and also you can see the police vehicle have been deployed here. The police have been deployed here to ensure the safety and to ensure that no one enter this particular place. The police, Delhi police have been deployed in this particular lane, and also the entire area has been closed. The shops are closed today, and also the entire area has been barricaded. The Delhi police have barricaded the entire area, and heavy police force, as you can see, the police is also doing the recce around the area to ensure the safety and no one enters this particular place, and to do the thorough investigation about the incidents.
All right, Arzu, thanks for joining me. Now, the Supreme Court, viewers, is set to deliver its